In this video, I'll be reviewing decimal place value. For those who haven't looked at the previous decimal place value lesson, I would recommend going over them first before watching this review. Now here's the place value chart, and below are 3 examples of decimals where we're going to place the numbers in the exact position of the place value chart. For the first example, we have 72.267. So the first thing we want to look at is the decimal point and place that decimal point first in the place value chart. Then we want to place the 7 in the tens position and 2 in the ones position, and then the 2 after the decimal in the tenth position. Then the number 6 will go into the hundredth position, and the 7 will go into the thousandth position. Let's pay attention to the value after the decimal. So we have 10, hundredth, and thousands. So the first number after the decimal is the tenth, and then the second number after that is the hundredth, and the third would be the thousands. Now let's look at the value of each number. For the 7, this means that we have 7 tenths. So 7 tenths means that there's 7 tenths equals 70. So that means the value 7 equals 70. Now the 2 in the ones means that there's 2 of 1. And if you multiply them together, that's 2. So that's 2 in the ones position means the value is 2. Now for the 10th position, this means that we have 2 quantity of 1/10. And if you multiply them together, that would become 2 over 10. And the 6 under the hundredth position means that there's total 6 100th. And multiplying together becomes 6 100th. Now for the thousands position, and that means we have 7 quantity of 1,000th. And if we multiply them, we would get 7 1,000th. So it's very important to know the value of each number based on the position that they're in. Now for the example 2, we have 2.76. So we want to first take the decimal point and align with the place value chart. We see the number 2 right before the decimal, and that's where we will place it. And the number 7 right after, so we'll place it here. And then the 6 goes after that. So by looking at this, we know that there are 2 ones equals 2, and the 7 in the 10th position means 7 times 1/10, which equals 7 tenths. And the 6 in the hundredth position will be 6 times 100th, and that's 6 100th. So that means the 6 equals the 6 to the 100. 2 is 2, and the 7 in the 10th position means that it's 7 tenths. Now let's try the third example. We have 52.346. Take the decimal and align it on the place value chart, and we'll place the rest of the numbers in order that they appear. So 2 is right next by the decimal to the left, and 5 is next by 2, so we'll place here. 3 is next by the decimal, and we place the 3. 4 next by the 10th value, so we'll put it here. And 6 will be in the thousands. And just like so, we can find out that the 5 is in the tens, so 5 times 10 means that the 5 has a value of 50. And 2 times 1 is 2, so 2 has a value of 2. And 3, 1 tenth, we have 3 tenths. That means the 3 has a value of 3 tenths. And 4 times 100 equals 4 100. And lastly, the thousands, 6 over 1000. So there you have it. So these are 3 examples of how you do decimal place value questions. Make sure you understand the position as well as the value. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.